Hello everyone, I hope everyone is safe and everyone is staying at home. Nowadays, because of this new condition, because everybody is staying at home, there are people who are struggling how to groom themselves. So I have decided to make this video today, how to groom your eyebrows. I always do it at home and I think it's more than 6 or 7 years. I have never been to a salon or I haven't taken anybody's help to groom my eyebrows. So let's share my secret with you, and it's very easy and it's very convenient, and maybe after that, even if you get the chance, you will not go outside or you will not pay anything else, and you can always groom your eyebrows at home. So all you need is one small scissor, a brush, and you may need a tweezer. I'm also using a tweezer just to show you, otherwise I don't use tweezer. And then you would need an eyebrows razor. This little thing is really great, and you can easily find them on either on Amazon, or I have seen them on even I think there was some beauty supply store where I have seen them. I still have that one which I bought from China, and I think I bought from Watsons from there, but it's really good and it lasts really long, so you don't have to worry about how if it's finished or whatever you will do. So for this, what you have to do first, you have to comb your eyebrows. This will help you to locate what are your how much extra hair you have. Those are overgrown from your natural eyebrows, because we don't want to cut our natural eyebrows, otherwise it will look bad. People who are wondering, like my eyebrows, they are not looking they are not so much groomed, I would say. But since I have been doing this for myself around 6 years, I think more than 6 years, so I'm so used to that I always keep them clean, and I think I recently did it. So you can see the most of my eyebrows, they are overgrown from here. These are the larger one, but from here there are just few, not more than that. So after brushing your eyebrows, what you have to do, you have to cut the extra hair that you are seeing. This one, these one, these are the overgrowth, and you do not want this. This is small scissor. This was the reason that I actually combed my eyebrows. The same thing I will do on this eyebrow. And then you need to cut all the extra eyebrows. The small eyebrows here. Now for using this eyebrow razor, you have to pull your I can see your skin. And I'm not sure if on the camera you can see there are small hair which I can only see when I do the close-up. I hope this helps. These are the small hair. So you have seen, this was the very clear one. So here they have a small eyebrows, which I had there and they were not visible on the camera. Then or if you're feeling that your skin is loose or you will cut, you can simply I cannot close my I mean I cannot just put my finger here, but if you're not using camera and you're just using on the mirror, it's easy to do that, and it's better if you just pull. This will help you not to cut. First, these eyebrows razors, they are safe, they do not cut onto your skin, the first thing. And secondly, if you just keep your skin, if you just tight your skin and then you do it in a slow motion, they will not cut your skin. So as I don't have lots of eyebrows, so people who may have overgrown, they would think this is not going to work for them. No, it will going to work for them, but what would they have to do? First, they have to shape their eyebrows like they do for going outside, or you can watch my videos. I link down my video in which I have shown how I make my eyebrows. So it's better if you make your eyebrows already with the eyebrow pencil and then you just delete, or I can say you just remove the extra hair. In this way you will actually make your eyebrows and then wash your makeup from your eyebrows, and then you will see that you have actually clean all the overgrowns, and the rest that is remaining, it's what you really need. So if you like my videos, if you like my channel, comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.